Okay, this is Rua das Estalagens. This is the street that we're going to be walking down, and we're also going to start up near this busy street. There's a shrine. We're going to capture all that. There's some Chinese New Year references up there. You can see those, and we're going to catch this busy street. Let me put this up on our map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, Rua das Estalagens. There's actually people trying to fit through there to get away from this crazy crowd. So check this crowd out. So all these people are coming down the hill from check out the ruins. And there's lots of people capturing the images too, because it's so crazy. It's the first day of Chinese New Year, so it's as people get through there, they're also taking pictures of it too. So it's crazy. There's the buildings in here. Yeah, so they're slowly working their way up to St. Paul ruins. But our target street's going to be over here by the shrine. We're in this area that's a pedestrian street. We're on Rua de Sao Paulo. Then there's Rua de... it's also crazy this way too. I'll show you how. And then later as we go down our street, it'll be less crowded. But equally crazy this direction too. Yeah, it's usually not so crowded down here, but today is Chinese New Year, so there's tons and tons of tourists. Okay, so we are going to go down this way. We'll capture some of the shrines first. And we're going to go down this way. Estalagens. So the base of our street, we have some tourist items here. And then yeah, we're going to be saying goodbye to all of that up there. So crazy crowded. And there's our Macau right there. And we got some food, and we're also going to capture that as well before we go down. Okay, so let's work our way down to Estalagens. So Estalagens starts out here, and it's a little bit in these little alleys too. Little Segu. The shop's closed today. I thought there'd be more shops closed, but it seems like everything is open today. I guess there's so much money to be made. So our street okay. So there's our Estalagens right there. And it looks like they're kind of moving crowds. Our street's on that way. We're going to be trying to... Looks like this is a pedestrian street today. This is kind of nice to film this one. I have filmed it before when it's a pedestrian street. So they might have the parade in here later. Yeah, usually cars go down here, so today, no. So we are going to stay faithful to our street. This is Invernarios. This is a pretty cool street to film. It's a Invernarios. Our street's gonna go down the other way. So let me see, pedestrian zone. Okay. This is at the base of Estalagens. There's a Chinese New Year reference up there. And maybe, I think we might have the parade come through here later, so maybe that's why it's set up like that. Just kind of waiting for the people to go through there. We have to go through there too, but it's not really possible. Okay, so we are gonna try to go through that crowd right there. I guess we'll just get in line, I guess. So, okay, now, there we go. So it looks like they're gonna block that off. Maybe the parade comes through here, possibly. There is a parade that's coming through in the evening. And usually cars can park here, that's all not allowed today. The cars can come through, so I don't know. These are kind of cool buildings. And these are kind of interesting too. Apartments up there. Okay, so we're gonna follow down the Estalagens. Show you all the different interesting stuff. There's like little alleys in here. Come true. No shortage of alleys, they have different names. This is our street today. Estalagens, charge up. Cha, caffeine and treats. Then we also have these tiny little alleys as well. So this alley is called the Green Windows, Green Janelas. And if you go in there, you can see some green windows that the street is named after. Some dogs. Some artwork. These are closed today. I think usually these are open. The street feels a little more quiet today. Nice artwork. That one is massage. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down Estalagens. Way down here they'll have like a night market, but that'll be at night. It's not a little bit too early, but it might have started. I don't know. I believe this street is Pisania, I believe. Clock, relic. I don't see that many clocks anymore in the age of digital. This is usually open, but it's closed today because of Chinese New Year. Okay, so let's keep on going down. Bus stop is suspended today. More little tiny streets like this Beko. Beko de Collos. More artwork on this left, kind of Chinese New Year artwork. It's kind of photogenic, right? This little guest house right here. So these will have Portuguese references. These are these little familia houses. They're usually yellow and dark brown. Another little Beko down that way. And then down here, Cotovelos. Have I filmed this before? I wonder. I feel like I probably have not. I might come down here later and film that. Here's that guest house right here. Cotovelos. So let's continue down our street. This is Estalagens Street. Okay. It's police. Welcome to City U. So that's part of the City University campus. The Estalagens will come out to a park down here, so we'll be down there shortly. Some of the stores are closed because of Chinese New Year. I'll let this one go by me. There we go. Okay. So pretty cool. Pretty nice. Wow, okay. Rest of the pagoda. I don't think I've seen this building look like this before. Let's see, Amazon value, okay. Okay, so we're gonna continue down our way. Casina Filipina. Yeah, it's really kind of quiet, but it's also quite nice. This street has a little bit of history. I forget all the history, but it does go down towards the waterway. Macau Spirit. And it comes out also to a pagoda, and there's another one of those little houses that hotels, like a larger one of the Familia. Remember that gold and brown one? So we're gonna see one of those. Ah, here's a Thai restaurant. This looks new. I haven't filmed in the street in a while. But if you want to see the last time I was here, here's a Thai boat noodle shop and Thai tea. Estalagens. And then it opens up into here. And there's a temple right here, a little Taoist temple that's open again. It was under construction for a while. I guess it'll capture some of that too. And this is all part of the Chinese New Year holidays. And this is that little Familia again, pension house. This is the larger one. There's a smaller one in the alley. And then we have this one right here, the Year of the Horse. And then when they do have a night market, it'll be on this street. Let's see if they're even setting it up later. Nope. There you go. So that's a nice temple, Taoist temple there. And our street is the Estalagens. So we'll just go back and end it there, and then we'll end our filming of the street. Lemon iced tea. There we go. Yeah, check out the last times I was here in the thumbnails.